walk at GCC. And here we go. Bye. Bye. All right. Woo! We're going downhill. Woo! I fall. Oh, wait, what's that? I see something orange. What is that? Oh, it's a cone. Oh, orange cone.
How the hell do we pick up?
We just go up there. It's
Seriously?
a big hill.
We just walked down it, dude. Seriously. Look at it's a big ass cone.
That is a big ass cone. Let's walk up to the cone. This is definitely the best nature walk I've ever been on. Okay. Big cone. Ooh, that is a big cone. Oh, look at that weird looking tree. That is one weird looking tree.
I'm gonna tell him we rolled down a hill.
Oh, there's a building.
Should we walk to the building? Because people are like in there, I bet.
People would be like, what the heck is going
I
on?
know, we're on a nature walk. Look, there's a trail, we could take it.
Oh, let's take the trail.
Seriously?
Let's take the trail.
Seriously, you really want to take the trail?
Yes. Maybe we should bring the boys.
Yeah.
Just in case a rapist is back there or something. Whoa! This is a beautiful day.
We rolled down a hill.
Do you think the boys will find
a
us?
hill.
Oh, what is that? Is that a cement like ground or something?
God, I can't believe we fell down a fucking hill, dude. Seriously.
we tumbled down a hill. I swear we had too much sugar today. We are on cement. Oh, we could play basketball here.
Where the hell are the nets?
I don't know. We can make nets.
They're really they hung up on me twice.
Are they coming?
No, apparently not. They don't care. We
This
rolled
would
down
be
a hill.
fun. Woods.
He really doesn't care that we rolled down a hill. But if I call Kyle saying I rolled down a hill, he'll be like, what the hell are you doing down a hill? And he'll be like, I rolled down a hill.
I should call Zach and be like, hey Zach, I rolled down
I'll
it.
record you. Do it.
Zach, oh my god, I rolled down a hill today.
Do it! Calm down, do it.
You want me to call him?
Yeah, do it. I dare you, man. You're chicken.
I'm so weird.
Yeah, the men aren't coming. They suck.
He's at work. Let's see if he answers.
We're on a nature trail. Apparently, this is our nature trail, everybody. And Megan's calling her, what is it?
My boyfriend.
Her boyfriend.
Hey Zach, what you doing?
Zachy!
Oh, watching TV.
I thought he was at work, doofus.
Oh. I thought you were at work today.
Tell him! Tell him what happened to us!
Oh, doctors.
Dude, are you gonna tell him or not?
Okay, I'm telling him.
Whore.
I'm on a nature trail.
Well, actually, we rolled down a hill.
We rolled down a hill, me and my swimmer, and
I went head first.
we rolled down a hill, and now we're like in this little area.
We don't know how to get back up to nature.
It's fun.
We're just having fun.
Yeah. Well, I just called to let you know that.
We love you, that's why.
You sent me a text message?
Thought you couldn't receive text messaging, Doover.
Oh, was it about my ex? Is that the one? Oh, yeah, I know. It's kind of hard seeing him on campus all the time now.
Okay, do I want to know?
I don't talk to him anymore though.
Okay, we going back up the hike?
I am.
We going?
On the round.
I guess not.
But
Come on, let's go back up on our nature walk up the hill. Don't make me drink. Okay, bye.
okay, bye Zach.
Here, you record my butt.
I'm not gonna record your butt.
I bet you dare record me right now.
He was like, "Oh, I had to go to the doctor's." I was like,
See about
"Oh."
us rolling down the damn hill.
You recorded me talking to my boyfriend. He was
I know.
like, "What are you guys doing?"
We're on a nature hike. We rolled down a freaking hill, everybody. I know it doesn't look like it, but we did. Look, we're going back up the hike. Oh, up backwards. Like. Dude, seriously.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trying to get up this hill is a pain in the ass.
Because I lived in the woods my whole life, basically. My whole life.
Same here, but I don't have hills like this in my woods. Damn.
We still gotta show Joe this. Hello. Dude.
All right.
Dude.